Hi, Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find ageless beauty and more. And today I thought I would do just a simple, light, easy look. Just an everyday look, a natural look, something that it's kind of my go-to every day when I'm just hanging around the house or have a few errands to run. So today I thought I would just do something really light. So stay tuned and we will get started. Now today I'm also going to be using minimal products since I'm going to do a light look, and I want to start off today with, of course I've already moisturized my face, so today I want to start off with the Sun Touchable Wow Glow 30 SPF sunscreen by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. And this just has a really pretty, it's called Wow Glow, and it has like a really pretty glow to it. And it has a little color to it, so it brings a little color to your face. So I'm just going to put some of this on my hand, and I'm just going to put this all around my face. Put some on my neck. And then I'm just going to rub this in. And I'm going to watch around my eyebrows because I have already done my eyebrows. Okay. So see, that just brings just like a little bit of color to your face and a little bit of glow. And just to let you know, I did use my e.l.f. Precise Eyebrow Pencil. And that's what I used on my eyebrows today. So the Sun Touchable e.l.f. Wow Glow that I used today is actually it's not just a sun protection. It's an SPF, but it's also a face makeup primer. So this is a good primer to use that gives you a little bit of color and glow. And today I'm actually going to be using Bare Minerals. Tried and true Bare Minerals. Love Bare Minerals. Always have loved them. Always will love them. Now, Bare Minerals to me is just super light on the skin. I love the way it feels. I just put a little bit in my cap, and I just take my brush, tap that off, and then I'm just going to kind of swirl this around all over my face. I do have a hair in my eye, so I'm just going to dip it in here one more time, tap it off. Be sure and get on my neck. Bring it down on my neck. And this is in beige. This Bare Minerals loose foundation is in beige. And I just love the way it looks and it feels. I mean, it's just super smooth and light. Easy to put on. Just real simple to put on. And so that's the foundation I used today, was the Bare Minerals. And then next I'm going to put my primer away. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Milani blush. And this is the Milani Berry Amore Baked Blush. And so I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Put that on my cheeks. And then, of course, I'm going to use this and take some of it, and I'm going to just sweep this across my eyelids. So that's pretty much my eyeshadow today. I just sweep blush across them. Then I kind of bring the blush up on around my face. And then the next thing I'm going to do, and of course I said I've already done my eyebrows, so we've done that. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my mascara. And today I'm using the ColourPop Level Up. I need to get me some new mascaras. I had a couple of different ones, Define a Lash and some other ones, and I just recently went through them and they've dried out, so I got rid of them. I didn't realize they were already dried out, so unfortunately I had to get rid of a few. I do have some pharmacy mascaras. I'm going to try not to get this all over my eyelids, and I have hooded eyes, so it's real easy for me to get mascara on my hooded eyes. I don't know if you can hear that car go by outside, but a car just went zooming up the road, so I apologize if you can hear that. I got my doors open and my windows open today. Such a nice, pretty day outside. It's beautiful here. It's like 70 degrees. My husband's out driving. He's out working, I should say. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of this ColourPop Lengthening Mascara on my lower lashes, since I'm not wearing any eyeliner. So I just put a little bit on my lower lashes. Let me get this one again. Doesn't look like it really went on that well on this side. There we go. And just a little on my bottom lashes. Okay. And I just got mascara all over my hand. So I'm going to see if I can't take some of this off. I grabbed it by the lid and got it all over my fingers. And to take off any excess, I'm just going to take a tissue and wipe under here so I don't get any on my face. And then I'm also going to take this Essence Lash Princess, and I'm going to put my second coat of mascara on with it. And this gives volume and length. Yeah, I don't have anything special planned today, just run an errand or two, and that's about it for today. I don't go out a lot since I work at home and I do all my videos. I do everything at home. So I just don't go out a whole lot. And it's too peoply out there for me anyway. I'm just the type of person, I don't like to go out around a lot of people anyway. So that's just fine with me. I mean, I go out to occasional things like festivals and dinners, and you know, I go out once in a while to different things with my friends. But for the most part, I'm an inside gal. Okay. And that, again, is the Lash Princess. So there we have that. And today, I'm going, just for lip color, I'm going to use the pencil. And this is by Milani. And this is Nude. Milani Nude Lip Pencil. So I'm just going to outline my lips with this. And then I'm also going to fill it in a little bit. Then I just put my lips together. And then I'm going to use my City Lips Lip Plumper. Add this on top of it. And I am going to just brush over this eye, blush a little bit on my eye. I don't need it quite that dark. I just want it light. Okay. And then I'm just going to cover up my little spot. Have to cover that little spot up. Little blood vessel. I have that little broken blood vessel on my face. It just drives me crazy. Just cover that up. And the only other thing that I am going to use today is, let's see, today I think I'm going to use my Tarte Double Day Beauty Shape Tape Radiant, and this is a concealer. So I'm going to use this under my eyes today. I'm just going to pat that in with my finger. It's a little, it's nice, but it's a little, I don't know, kind of a little on the yellow side. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. This is fairly new. I've only used it once or twice. And then I'm going to take my little concealer brush here and I'm just going to brush that in a little bit. Okay. And there we have that. And I don't think I'm going to put any more. I've already got my Bare Minerals on, so no more powder. But I am going to take my Time Locker spray just to lock this in and lock in some moisture. And I will be right back with the finished look. I'm back, and this is my final look. This is just a simple, quick, easy, natural look. Doesn't take 5 minutes at the most. It takes me a little longer because I'm explaining and showing you how it's done on camera, but it doesn't take me 5 minutes to do it in person when I'm not on camera. And all I have on is my e.l.f. makeup primer and sunscreen, and then I have my Bare Minerals loose powder foundation on, and I use the Milani blush Berry Amore for my cheeks and to put on, brush across my eyelids. And then I used my ColourPop Lengthening Mascara, Level Up. And I also did a second coat with Lash Princess by Essence. And of course I did my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Precise Eyebrow Pencil. And I used the Time Locker spray that I sprayed at the end of it. And I used my City Lips Lip Plumper Gloss over my lip liner, and I just used the lip liner to fill in my lips for the color, and I just used a nude color, and that was also by Milani. And so this is just the final look, and it's, like I said, it's just a quick, simple, fast, easy look anyone can do. So I just wanted to bring this simple, quick look to you today, and I apologize for not being on for a while, but I have been sick over the past week. Many days out of the last week I have been sick, so I do apologize for not being on more, but I had to take a little break there because I wasn't feeling well at all. And so now I'm back, but hopefully I can be on a regular schedule. I do plan to at least post one video a week, maybe two. But anyway, I hope you will stay with me, and I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Mwah. Love you.